Hi, I'm Kate Anderson. I'm the Senior Director of Pricing and Program Development. I've been with JSSI since 2011. I've been in aviation my entire career. I started out as a pilot, certified flight instructor, had my multi-commercial, flew King Air C-90s for a short period of time. I did end up transitioning over to the maintenance side, and I worked for a 135 operator that maintained close to 20 aircraft, ranging from Falcon 900s, Citation 10s, Lears, Falcon 50s, Beach Jets, you name it, we kind of had our hands into it. Got a lot of experience, got floor experience, got my hands on, got to do some maintenance, very enlightening, very fun to be able to know the whole breadth of aviation, to not only piloting, maintenance, and now I'm working in the finance side, underwriting all of our contracts that come onto the JSSI HCM program.